Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you enable to check for update iOS 16 beta 1. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, go back to home screen and then open up settings app. Scroll down, tap on journal. Again scroll down, tap on VPN device manager. Tap on iOS 16 beta software profile. Tap on remove profile. Give your passcode. Tap on remove. iOS 16.1 is removed and go back to set. Tap on journal. Again scroll down. Tap on date and time. Set automatically this toggle is off. Turn the toggle on for this and go back. Open up Safari and search for apple.beta.com and reinstall the iOS 16 beta 1. So check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is scroll down, tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. Give your passcode. Give your screen time passcode and then tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting. No data and media will be deleted, and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is tap on mobile data. You use a mobile data, turn it on and turn it off. Turn the toggle on for aeroplane mode and turn it off. Again turn on the mobile data. You don't have used mobile data and you used Wi-Fi, turn it off, turn it on. Tap on Wi-Fi and tap on forget this Wi-Fi and reconnect. Tap on join. Wi-Fi is reconnected. So check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next and final one. The final one is delete that you don't have used apps. So delete this one. So hopefully your problem are fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.